Back in December, I found out that Tesla added a new item to their lifestyle section of their online store, the Portable Wireless Charger 2.0. I wasn't aware of the first version, which was kind of a limited release a few years ago. As you can see, they offer it in 5 colors, to match your car if you wish: Midnight Silver Metallic, Deep Blue Metallic, Red Multicoat, Pearl White Multicoat, and Solid Black. I ordered the Midnight Silver Metallic on December 21st. Shipping was quick, and I received the order 5 days later. Unfortunately, when it arrived, it was the wrong color. It wasn't that big a deal, but it was kind of sloppy on Tesla's part. In any case, these chargers are sold out within the day that I ordered. So getting the right color would have meant that I would need to return it, and they didn't have anything in stock to replace it with. Let's now move on to the specs of the device. On the left side of the screen, I will list version 1 that came out in 2018. And then on the right side is version 2. As you can see, the specs are improved nicely on the second version. The biggest thing is the charger itself can be wirelessly charged from the car's Qi charger in the dash, or really any wireless Qi charger you may have. Charging speeds for connected devices, both wired and wireless, are also improved. By the way, when you see these two numbers, mAh and WH, on batteries, you can convert one to the other. Milliamp hours is a unit of electric charge, and watt hours is a unit of energy or power. Lithium battery cells have a nominal voltage of 3.7. So for example, if we take 6 amp hours times 3.7 volts, it equals 22.2 watt hours. If we look at the new improved version, we have 10 amp hours times 3.7 volts equals 37 watt hours. One way to look at this is that volts equals water pressure in a hose. Current is measured in amps, is the water flowing through the hose. When you take into account volts times amps, you get watts, which is the total amount of power. The item arrived in a bubble pack from Tesla. Inside, we have a box with a plastic seal over it. Taking it out of the plastic, I'll show you the back, which lists the name and color. On the other side is the Tesla logo. The box is not sealed in any way, so I will take off the cover. The charger itself is sitting in a foam cutout area with the instruction guide underneath. The charger has a protective plastic wrap on the front. And as you noticed, this charger is white, while I was supposed to get a Midnight Silver Metallic. Let's have a closer look at the device. And on the bottom of the unit is a power button. It comes with an integrated USB-C cable that fits into the USB-C port on the right side and a USB-A port on the left side. You can totally remove the cable if you need to. You can also attach other cables to the left port, such as a micro USB or lightning cable. Here is the instruction pamphlet. It is in 7 languages and covers all of the operating modes and gives detailed specifications. Press the power button to quickly check the remaining capacity. For wireless charging, press and hold down the power button for 3 seconds to turn on wireless charging on the front side. It will turn off in 40 seconds if a wireless charging device is not detected. For wired charging, press the power button quickly and it will start. If you want to charge 2 devices at the same time, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds, and then quickly press it a second time. Now both the front wireless pad and the cable will be active. If you want to charge the charger, unplug the USB plug from the left side. Then take the cable and insert it into a USB power adapter. The LED light will start blinking to indicate that it's charging. An alternative way to charge the charger is to place it on the car's wireless charging pad, which is included on newer Tesla vehicles. Mine is an older car with an accessory purchase. And here it is charging on the charger in the Model 3. The portable charging unit is now fully charged, and I'll remove the cable from the power adapter. I'll now go over some common charging situations with this device. First up is using it to wirelessly charge a phone. Press the power button for 3 seconds and then place the phone on top. Here I'll show a close-up of the phone, and you can see that it is charging in the upper right-hand corner. Next, I will unplug the USB-C plug from the right side of the device. Then I will use an iPad Air that happens to use a USB-C port to charge. Press the power button quickly, and it will turn on. Now attach the cable to the iPad. And here you could see it charging in the upper right-hand corner. Now I will try 2 devices at once, and that's the phone and the iPad. Press the power button for 3 seconds, and then once more quickly. And now place the phone on top of the charging pad. And yes, we can see it's charging. Take the end of the USB cable and connect it to the iPad's bottom port. I'll pick up both of them, and you can see that they are both charging. And for the next test, I'm going to remove the USB-C charging cable and put in a micro USB cable. And I'll be testing it with a set of USB Bluetooth earpods. On the front, you should see at least one LED blinking, which means it's charging. And I'll swap out the micro USB for a lightning cable. Plug it into the phone, and we see it is now charging. In conclusion, there are lots of portable battery power banks available. However, this Tesla portable wireless charger does have some unique features. The ability to be used as a wireless Qi charger, as well as the charger itself being wirelessly charged, is different. It has a decent-sized 37 watt-hour battery capacity, which should allow anywhere from 2 to 3 full charges on common smartphones, such as the iPhone 13 series or the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Having a built-in USB-C is good, since that's the direction for most devices today for charging. And the ability to swap out cables is good too. One negative is the high price. At $70, it is quite a premium over alternative battery power banks. I'm betting that the biggest reason to get one of these is that they will be fairly limited in production, and you can get it in a color that matches your car. I know it's not the most important thing in the world, but I am betting that these will be collectible. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.